Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all your Toyota Tundra news, information, and ways to save money. Like today, we are doing a minor install on my 2024 Toyota Tundra 1794. Now minor in price, yes, but major in the difference what it does to the interior of the Toyota Tundra. Now, we do a lot of installs on my 2024 Tundra here. We do side steps that cost $600-700, tonneau covers that are over $1,000, but today's part only cost $18 on Amazon. I got the link in the description below, and it is the overlay for the gear shifter area. Now, if you're new to the new generation Toyota Tundra, one thing I could say is all the interiors look great, especially something like this, a 1794. There's saddle tan everywhere. There's a lot of soft touch, a big 14-inch screen, a nice amount of technology, of course. But when you look down by the gear shifter, there's a shiny piano black area that is known to pick up dust and scratches. I don't know why they didn't put this on the truck to begin with, because this would make a lot more sense and make the area a lot easier to clean and keep from scratching. So we're going to do a quick install right here. But once again, if you go down in the description of the video, the link to this Amazon part, $18. Maybe cheap as far as the price, but it makes a huge difference. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe off the area, get all the dust out of there before we put the new overlay on, which is super simple. Just make sure it's as clear as possible so the adhesive will work the best. So as you can see, piano black once again, but collects a lot of dust and scratches pretty easily. So this is definitely a good thing to put on. Now, before we actually put the item on, as you can see, there's all the adhesive on it. You peel those off, sticks right on. We're gonna make sure it fits. So we're gonna put the truck into neutral real quick. And that is what it will look like when we take the tape off. As you can see, it already looks amazing, you know, from what it was. There was nothing wrong with the shiny piano black, but this just looks a lot better and actually fits all of the flat black on the rest of the center console. So let's take the adhesive off the back and permanently put this in place. And there it is, folks, a very simple install that I think drastically improves this area. So you went from the shiny black that collects all the dust and scratches easily to a nice flat black look. And it actually matches the area as far as the other flat black that's around. So I think it looks a lot better. In 1794, you can close that as well, kind of get an idea of what it looks like. But 18 bucks, you know, doesn't break the bank for once compared to all these other things I show you guys normally, and definitely worth the 18 bucks to do this because it looks fantastic, and I think it will be better off as far as protecting this area, way easier to clean, and I think it'll help the interior of the truck around the gear shifter look better. But let me know what you think in the comments below. The link will be in the description of the one that I found on Amazon. And once again, we're talking $17.99. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this flat black overlay. Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Have a great day.